Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss. We're diving into the realm of artificial intelligence breakthroughs and exploring what we can expect in the year 2023. AI has been evolving rapidly, and it's fascinating to witness the advancements that are reshaping our world. So, let's jump right in. The first breakthrough we'll discuss today is the enhanced natural language processing capabilities of AI systems. In 2023, we can expect AI models to become even better at understanding and generating human-like text. This means we'll see significant improvements in virtual assistants, chatbots, and translation services, making interactions with AI systems more seamless and intuitive. But it doesn't stop there. Another breakthrough on the horizon is the integration of AI into healthcare. AI-powered diagnostic tools will become more accurate and efficient, aiding doctors in making faster and more precise diagnoses. With the assistance of AI, we'll witness a revolution in medical imaging analysis, disease prediction, and drug discovery. Moving on, robotics is an area where we can expect significant breakthroughs in 2023. AI-powered robots will become more versatile, capable of performing complex tasks and adapting to dynamic environments. From healthcare assistants to manufacturing and even household chores, robots will continue to redefine our interaction with technology. Another exciting field to watch out for is autonomous vehicles. In 2023, we'll witness the rapid advancement of self-driving technology, making it closer to mainstream adoption. AI algorithms will continue to improve vehicle perception, decision-making, and safety, revolutionizing the way we commute and reducing traffic accidents. Now, let's talk about a breakthrough that has the potential to reshape entire industries: AI-driven personalization. Companies are harnessing the power of AI to create highly personalized experiences for their customers. Whether it's online shopping, content recommendations, or personalized healthcare, AI will analyze vast amounts of data to tailor experiences to individual preferences, revolutionizing how we interact with products and services. Lastly, the ethical implications of AI will remain a critical focus in 2023. As AI systems become more powerful, ensuring fairness, transparency, and accountability will be paramount. Researchers and policymakers will work hand in hand to develop regulations and ethical guidelines that safeguard against bias and misuse of AI technology. And there you have it, folks, some of the breakthroughs we can expect in the world of artificial intelligence in 2023. The future is looking incredibly promising, with AI systems becoming smarter, more efficient, and embedded in various aspects of our lives. And there you have it, folks, some of the breakthroughs we can expect in the world of artificial intelligence in 2023. The future is looking incredibly promising, with AI systems becoming smarter, more efficient, and embedded in various aspects of our lives. Thank you all for watching today's video. If you found it insightful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the latest technological advancements. Don't forget to leave a comment sharing your thoughts on AI breakthroughs you're most excited about in 2023.